Today I am taking 6th class science subject. Okay. Our first chapter is completed. Now I am going to tell the second chapter, playing with the magnets. So first, what is magnet? What is a magnet? So the substance that can attract by iron, that is called the magnet. So what is that? The substance that can attract iron. So which substance can attracted by iron, that is called the magnet. Okay, understood? See this. Magnets are two types. First one is the north pole and the second one is the south pole. First one is the north pole and the second one is the south pole. And see, here what is that? First we know that magnet. What is a magnet? The substance that can be attracted by iron, that is called the magnet. And the non-magnetic materials, the materials that cannot be attracted by the iron, that substance is called the non-magnetic materials. For example, magnetic material, for example, cobalt, nickel. Okay, magnetic materials. Magnetic materials means which materials are attracted by iron, that materials are called the magnetic material. Example is iron. Okay. Non-magnetic means non-magnetic materials. Non-magnetic means which substances can't attracted by the iron. That substance is called the non-magnetic materials. So non-magnetic, for example, wood. Simply we can say wood. Wood is not attracted by the iron. So this is called the non-magnetic material. And wood, aluminium, plastic also, you know that plastic not attracted by the iron. And the next one, magnetic compass. The direction of a place be identified with the help of bar magnetic. One magnetic compass means one bar magnetic is on the magnetic compass that can be identified. We can identify the direction, which direction, this is the west, this is the south, like that we can identify. So already I told you, here magnetic are two types. What is north pole and south pole. So what is the north pole direction? See next. A magnetic compass consists of a magnetic needle that always comes to rest in the north-south direction. So what is that north-south means magnetic compass. So suppose this is a magnetic compass and this is identified with the help of one bar magnetic like this. Whenever we keep this magnetic compass, this is the bar magnetic, we keep like this. This bar magnetic identifies the which is the east, which is the west, like that, which is the north, which is the south. And the next is the magnetic materials, already I told you, and the type of magnets. So once again I am repeating, what is magnet? The substances can be attracted by iron, that is called the magnets. Magnets are the two types, north pole and the south pole. And the next one is magnetic materials, which materials can attracted by the iron, that materials are called the magnetic materials. Non-magnetic means which materials can't attracted by iron, that is called the non-magnetic material. For example, wood here. Magnetic material, for example, iron. Okay. Now types of magnets. Types of magnets. Types of magnets. How many types are there? Total 4 types are there. What is that? Bar magnet. Next, ring magnet. Disc magnet. And the next one, hard-shell magnet. Okay. Types of magnets. There are 4 types of magnets are there. First one is the bar magnet. Next one is the ring magnet. And the third one is the disc magnet. Next, fourth one is the hard shell magnet. Bar magnetic means like this. And the ring magnet like this. Disc. And the harsh shoal. Harsh shoal means harsh shoal. like this. The next topic is, okay, tomorrow I'll tell you what is a bar magnet. I'll give the examples, and a ring magnet, disc magnet, hard-shell magnet. I'll tell you clearly one magnet about the one magnet. Thank you, children.